Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get an equal gender sample from SurveyMonkey. I just launch up SurveyMonkey and open the survey that you want to do this for. Click here on collect responses, and then all you need to do is just scroll down and choose this option, by targeted responses. Okay, and then all you need to do is go ahead and filter these. So once this loads up, I'll go ahead and scroll down. And now you can see here, we are targeting different demographics. So you can choose the country right here, even do region targeting. That is also possible if you toggle that on. But what we're interested in is gender. So come here, tap on gender. And then you can choose it to be all genders because we want it to be an equal gender sample. And then toggle this one on, add balancing. Okay, if you don't balance it, what happens is usually in the first few hours, you tend to get women, and the results would finish early. Let's say you'd set only 100 results, then you'd get mostly women. But if you turn on gender balancing, they also mentioned this themselves. So go ahead and add the balancing, and now you can choose either census, where basically it would pick up the census in that country. So if it is US, the gender distribution would reflect the gender distribution in that country. So we can add custom here. So if you want 50% male, you can do that here, and then you can do 50% female as well. Make sure it adds up to 100%, and then you can apply. So that is how you balance it gender. And once you are done, you just go ahead and check out, right? It's really that easy to get an equal gender sample from SurveyMonkey.